wanted to teach him how to fly. Mute yourself. Mute करो अपने आप को. Okay. And how did mother plan to make the seagull fly? What did she do? Book है तो देख के बताओ. What did she do? सारिका बताओ. माँ ने क्या किया उसको उड़ना सिखाने के लिए? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am. Seagull's mother brought food for seagull, but she don't give food to seagull.
Yes. Okay, she brought food for her, but when she came very near, she suddenly stopped. When she came very near to the edge of the mountain, she stopped all of a sudden. The seagull was mad with hunger, and she just came to the edge and accidentally she fell. And when she fell, then there was no other option. To save her life, she had to fly. And then she started moving her wings, and when she started moving her wings, she discovered that her wings are supporting her. So she moved to the mad with hunger, the seagull moved to the edge when her mother suddenly stopped with the food in the beak. And when she moved to the edge, she fell. And when she fell, she saw the sea below and was extremely scared. She started moving her wings, and then she felt that her wings are supporting her. So she had the wrong concept in her mind that her wings will not support her. The main problem was that she was not trying because of her fear. Nothing was wrong with her wings. Okay. Then why did the
Yes, ma'am.
why did the pilot of the black aeroplane take the risk of flying in spite of the stormy clouds? क्या कारण था कि रिस्क उसने लिया?
Because he wanted to lunch with his family. They live in England, and the flight was gone.
Yes, because he wanted to enjoy the breakfast with his family who lived in England. So he saw the stormy clouds, but he took the risk because he was very eager to spend some quality time with his family, to have breakfast with them. So he took the risk. And what was strange about the other aeroplane that he saw in the stormy clouds?
There is no airplane that the pilot saw in the
And the plane was totally black and there was no light on the plane.
Yes, very good, Ayush. वो स्ट्रेंज थिंग ये था कि वो दूसरे एरोप्लेन के विंग्स में कोई लाइट नहीं था. And what happened when the pilot was caught in the what happened when he was caught in the stormy clouds?
Ma'am, his navigation system was not working. The compass was also not working, and the radios had no response.
Yes, the radio stopped functioning, the compass broke down, and the fuel also was limited. One fuel tank was completely exhausted, and the other he had already the other also he was using it. So anytime the fuel could also get exhausted. That was also a problem. Fuel was also one problem. And when he landed, when finally the pilot landed safely, what surprised him the most when he landed safely and he had a talk with the receptionist? He landed safely and he talked to the receptionist. What surprised him?
Ma'am, the
When
receptionist told him that there was no aeroplane flying tonight. It was the only aeroplane of the pilot that was flying.
Yes, very good. So the receptionist, she told when he inquired to the receptionist that uh, has any other aeroplane landed here. So she replied very casually that in the radar only your aeroplane is there. There is no other aeroplane in the radar. And then he got the shock of his life. If there was no aeroplane, then who had saved his life? So okay. Chalo. Uh, you when you are revising for your examination, you revise the word meanings also. Is it clear to all of you? Upbraiding
Yes, ma'am.
upbraiding का meaning बता. Upbraiding. Seagull chapter से है.
scolding,
Yes, very good. Upbraiding means scolding. Then taunting. Taunting means what?
to pass comment,
To pass
bad comments.
harsh comments or to make fun of someone. Taunting. Brink. Brink of the hill. Brink means edge, kinara. Then wet, W-H-E-T, wet, what does it mean? The seagulls, they were wetting the beak against the rock. W-H-E-T, wet. Wet means to sharpen. W-H-E-T, wet means to sharpen. Okay. चलो तब हम लोग okay, we'll continue with this chapter. कल तुम लोग prepared, you be prepared for, I will ask some oral questions from thief story and word meanings also I will ask. Okay, so when Maddie and Peggy reached Boggins Heights, what did they find out? Hello.
There is
Why only two students are answering? Sarika, Ayush के अलावा और कोई भी आंसर करो. Hello. Pintu.
They saw that Wanda had already gone from there.
Yes, they saw that there was no sign of life. Everything was very quiet and calm, no sign of life. So they knocked at the door, there was no response. Then they went backyard. There also there was no response. So what was clear? That the Petronsky had already moved to the new place. Now Wanda and Peggy had no chance to apologize to Peggy and Maddie had no chance to apologize to Wanda. She had already moved to the new place. And what excuse did Peggy give to herself for making fun of Wanda? Batao.
Peggy excused that if she don't make fun of Wanda, she not able to draw the brilliant paintings of dresses.
Yes, she said that if she had not made fun of her, she would not have got so many ideas for her brilliant paintings. सब तो हो गया था ना. Now it was Christmas time. There was snow on the ground. So now it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and a small tree decorated the classroom. So it was Christmas time and Christmas usually takes place in winter. So there was snow on the ground. There was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and a small tree decorated the classroom. The classroom was also decorated for celebrating Christmas. Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. It was winter time. The classroom was decorated with Christmas bells and a small tree. On the last day of school before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. And it was the last day of the class. Christmas holidays were about to begin. It was the last day of the class. The Christmas holidays were about to begin and the class had been decorated to celebrate Christmas. And then suddenly the teacher announced a very strange thing. What was the strange thing? The strange thing was that the class teacher had received a letter from Wanda. You remember Wanda Petronsky, the gifted little artist who won the drawing contest? Well, she has written me, and I'm glad to know where she lives. So, the surprising thing was that finally Wanda had written a letter to her class teacher. And in that letter, Wanda had written about her new place, where she lives, because now I can send her medal. I want to read her letter to you. और क्लास टीचर ने पूरे क्लास के सामने वंडा का लेटर पढ़ा. The class sat up with sudden interest. The whole class was very curious to know what was written in Wanda's letter. They sat with sudden interest. It aroused their curiosity. सबका जिज्ञासा जो है बढ़ गया. क्या लिखा है वंडा ने? And listened intently. Intently means carefully. Very carefully they listened. What was written in Wanda's letter? How are you and room 13? Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses. Because in my new house, I have 100 new ones. So this letter proved that Wanda was not angry with the girls. Wanda was so kind and gentle. She forgave even their enemies. She forgave even her enemies, even those two girls who hurt her so much, who always made fun of her. She had no ill feelings towards them also. जिन लड़कियों ने इतना मजाक उड़ाया उनके प्रति भी वंडा के मन में कोई बुरी भावना नहीं थी. ये कैसे प्रूव हुआ? उसके लेटर से. उसने कहा कि she had gifted all the 100 dresses to all her classmates, to all the girls. Of course, the boys will not have any use of those dresses. तो सारे अपने ड्रेस के स्केचेस जो है वो किसको गिफ्ट कर दिया वांडा ने? अपने गर्ल क्लासमेट्स को. Because she said that she has now drawn 100 more new dresses. I'd like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with red trimming and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. And what is most surprising is that her two most beautiful dresses she has gifted to Peggy and Maddie, the two girls who made maximum fun of her. Peggy को उसने कौन सा ड्रेस दिया था? Green dress with red trimmings, laces. And to Maddie, she had given her another most favorite dress, the blue one. For Christmas, and those were Christmas gifts. The red and green dress and the blue dress to Maddie. Both were Christmas gift for her two classmates. So you can just imagine what a big heart Wanda had. Such a nice girl. I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Here she has praised Miss Mason. She has said that my new class teacher is not like you. Miss Mason was better. Does not equalize. आपके बराबरी की वो नहीं है. उसकी new. I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. So Wanda still remembers her old classmates, though they did not give her the place that she required. Because she was a foreigner, she was made fun of. They did not include her in their group. They practiced discrimination. But in spite of all these facts, Wanda does not have any ill feelings, any bad feelings towards them. हाँ, बुरे लोगों के साथ भी अच्छा ही करो, वंडा का ये प्रिंसिपल है. Mahatma Gandhi's principle. Yours truly, Wanda Petronsky. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. So Maddie and Peggy both took their gifts and they moved towards their family. All the houses had wreaths. Know what is the meaning of wreaths? Wreaths means what? Wreaths means? Wreaths. Wreaths means what? Wreath. What does it mean? Garland. जो माला होता है उसको wreaths बोलते हैं. Garland. So wreaths means garland. Because it was Christmas time, the houses were decorated with garlands and holly. Holly is a kind of shrub. It is a kind of shrub. Holly in the windows. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked. And what could be seen outside all the shops? कोई भी फेस्टिवल होता है तो उस फेस्टिवल के रिलेटेड सामान जो है दुकान के बाहर लग जाता है. तो क्रिसमस का टाइम था, तो what was there outside all the grocery shops? Christmas trees were lined up. Stacked means piled up, lined up. Candy, peppermint sticks, and cornucopias. Cornucopias means decorative containers, usually full of flowers and fruits. Cornucopias are considered very auspicious. उसको शुभ माना जाता है. Horn shape का container वो होता है. It is container of which with the shape of horn. Of shiny transparent paper was strung. So all the houses were decorated for the occasion of Christmas with flowers, wreaths, then with holly shrubs, peppermint sticks, and the air smelled like Christmas and the light shining everywhere. And the people had decorated their houses with Christmas lights. The people decorated their houses with Christmas lights and it reflected on the snow. Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. वंडा का लेटर पढ़ने के बाद पेगी और मैडी जो है वो बहुत रिलैक्स्ड हो गए. Why were they feeling relaxed after reading Wanda's letter? Tell me. Sneha, बताओ.
Because Maddie and Peggy had used to insult her, had teased with her, but in spite of that, she had wrote that she missed him.
Yes, very good. And also,
and also she missed classroom.
Yes.
Even her class teacher.
Yes, very good. They were relaxed to know that Wanda was not angry or hurt. Wanda was not angry or hurt. She still loved them. This made them very relaxed. And then both the girls, they took their Christmas gift and they were moving towards their house, and the whole atmosphere was full of Christmas celebration. Houses were decorated with the flowers and the holly shrubs and other things, and the lights were reflected on the snow because of the different colors. Boy said, Peggy, this shows she really likes us. It shows she got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right. So this was the way of saying that Wanda had already forgiven them. And that's that. I hope so, said Maddie sadly. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped, polished girl again. Maddie अभी भी खुश नहीं थी because she was feeling sad. वो वंडा से एक बार मिलना चाहती थी. Tight-lipped, polished girl. Why she called tight-lipped? Because she talked very less. Tight-lipped means what? Who talks very less and couldn't ever really make things right between them. Maddie was still not happy because she wanted to meet Wanda and ask forgiveness from her. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. So when Maddie went home, what did she do? She decorated that beautiful dress gifted by Wanda on her wall. वो गई घर और वो सुंदर सा ड्रेस का पेंटिंग जो था वो उसने अपने वॉल पर डाल दिया. टॉर्न प्लेस, वॉलपेपर एक जगह से फटा हुआ था और उस जगह पे उसने वो सुंदर सा ड्राइंग डाल दिया. The shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of the colors, and just one dress of Wanda changed the look of the whole room. क्या हुआ? उस एक सुंदर ड्रेस के कारण मैडी का पूरा रूम का जो एटमॉस्फेयर था वो बदल गया. The whole room came alive. It just increased the beauty of the dirty room. Shabby means what? Shabby means? Tell me.
Dirty.
Dirty. Shabby means dirty. So came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. As we are already told that the drawings had very brilliant colors, bright colors. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing. This incident had a very lasting effect on Maddie. Paddy जो है वो so थी, casual थी, लेकिन Maddie के दिमाग से ये बात नहीं निकल रहा है कि उसने oppose क्यों नहीं किया. Said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. But now, at least she is happy that Wanda was not angry with her. Tears blurred her eyes. उसके आंखों में आंसू आ गए कि इतने gentle लड़की के साथ उन लोगों ने क्या किया था. Now her love for Wanda increased more. What a large heart she has. She has forgiven them in spite of all the misbehavior. Tears blurred her eyes. आंख में जो है आंसू भर गए. And she gazed for a long time at the picture. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. Hastily means what? Tell me the meaning of hastily. Hastily का meaning बता कोई? Haste means what? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
जिज्ञासा बता.
Ma'am, strongly.
नहीं, haste means what you say? Make haste.
Ma'am, jaldbazi.
Jaldbazi, yes, very good. Hastily means quickly. So hastily means quickly. Then quickly she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. What is the meaning of intently? carefully.
Carefully.
हाँ, बहुत ध्यान से उसने वो दोनों ड्रेसेस देखे. Studied it. The colors in the dress was so vivid. Vivid means what? Vivid. Clear. Vivid means clear. Vivid means clear. The colors in the dress were so clear that she had scarcely. Scarcely means hardly. Scarcely. मुश्किल से. Scarcely noticed. Scarcely means hardly. उसने नोटिस किया ही नहीं था. The face and the head of the drawing. तो ड्राइंग में यूनिक चीज क्या था कि वो सिर्फ ड्रेस नहीं था, उसमें किसी का चेहरा भी था. Notice the face and the head of the drawing. So you can just imagine Wanda Petronsky's talent. She does not only draw dresses, she can even draw the faces. तो फेस ऐसे एक कैजुअल लुक में नहीं दिखता है, लेकिन इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इट केयरफुली then you can see the face. It looked like her. So whose face was it? It was actually Maddie's face. When she observed the drawing carefully, she saw that there was a face also in the drawing, and that face was Maddie's face. It looked like her. Maddie, it really looked like her own mouth. Why, it really looked like her own self. ये तो Maddie खुद थी वो. Wanda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy's. अब वो पैगी के पास दौड़ के गई. वो पूछना चाहती थी पैगी के कि क्या तुम्हारे ड्राइंग में भी तुम्हारा चेहरा है, तुम्हारे ड्रेस में. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. And she was very excited and she ran to Peggy. And she said that, let me see your picture. What's the matter? Asked Peggy as they clattered up to her room where Wanda's drawing was lying, face down on bed. So Peggy had just put her drawing on the bed upside down, face down on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it. Look, she drew you. मैडी का ड्राइंग देखा तो क्या देखा कि उसमें मैडी का, पेगी का ड्राइंग देखा तो क्या मिला उसमें. उसमें पेगी का फेस था. And the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. So you can just imagine how multi-talented Wanda was. Not only dress, she can also draw the people's faces. And when she had drawn those two beautiful dresses, she had drawn it for the two girls. She had drawn their faces also. That's you, she exclaimed, and the head on the face of this picture did look like Peggy. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. तो इस सब से क्या प्रूव हो गया कि भले वो लोग, they looked down upon Wanda Petronsky, but Wanda Petronsky loved them from the core of their heart. दिल के गहराई से जो है वो उनको चाहती थी. Wanda loved them from the core of their heart. The two most beautiful dresses, she gifted them. She drew her faces on those dresses. And she blinked away the tears that came every time. मैडी के तो आंसू ही नहीं रुक रहे थे, वो कुछ ज्यादा ही इमोशनल और सेंसिटिव है. ब्लिंक्ड अवे द टीयर्स, जितने बार आंख में आंसू भरते थे वो उसको निकाल देती थी. Standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard, looking stolidly over the group. Stolidly means sadly. Stolidly. Over the group of laughing girls after she had walked off, after she had said, sure, 100 of them all lined up. वंडा का एक लाइन उसको याद रहा. बार बार वो यही जवाब देती थी कि हाँ मेरे पास 100 ड्रेस है, सारा एक लाइन में. हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
So that brings us to the end of the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll discuss the question, what did the girls write to Wanda? अपने लेटर में क्या लिखा गर्ल्स ने? सोचा था कि अपॉलजी लेटर लिखेंगे, लेकिन
फ्रेंडशिप लेटर लिख दिया.
Friendly letter लिखा था.
it was just a friendly letter inquiring from Wanda about the new place and the new
And
teacher. And bolo Sarika.
And informing about the contest that she won.
Yes, and they had informed her about the drawing contest that she had won. Did they get a reply?
No.
No. Who was more anxious for a reply, Peggy or Maddie?
Maddie.
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 How do you know? We know this because all the time Peggy forgot about the incident, but Maddie all the time she kept on thinking about Wanda and regretting for having made fun of her. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her?
When Wanda gave the two best of two dresses to Wanda and Peggy, and when Maddie saw the dress carefully, she found that in these two dresses, the faces of these two girls are drawn.
Yes, very good, Sarika. She's because Wanda had gifted her two favorite dresses to Peggy and Maddie, and also when both the girls observed the dresses carefully, very surprisingly, they found out that Wanda had also sketched their faces. This proved that Wanda did not hate them for whatever they did. She still loved them the most. Tomorrow, all of you come prepared. I will ask you word meanings and question answers from thief story.
Okay.
और भी कुछ करा देंगे, रिवीजन भी थोड़ा देर कराएंगे, और भी कुछ कराएंगे. So you want to ask anything? पूछना है? जिन लोगों ने भी क्लास मिस किया, एक राइटिंग सेक्शन वाला जरूर देख लेना. राइटिंग सेक्शन का एक वीडियो डाले हैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे, because that is something new, letter of order and letter of inquiry. Okay, bye all of you. Tomorrow you be prepared. I don't want only 2 or 3 persons to answer questions. Students, sorry. सारिका, आयुष, जिज्ञासा, दिव्यानी, यही लोग 4-5 लोग आंसर करते हैं. बाकी लोग बुक खोल के ही आंसर दो, लेकिन दो. So bye all of you.